everybody, this is Chewy from Off Leash K9, Clarksville, Tennessee, and Nashville. Here you have Dixie. She's a 5-year-old lab mix. Dixie comes here because she's got a little bit of dog aggression going on. Definitely pulls on that leash pretty hard, like we can see. So mom and dad want to work on her heel. She can't really be held accountable a lot. So mom and dad came here for our 2-week board and train. So let's see what Dixie does now. Dixie, can you sit? Oh, what a good job! What a good job! Good job. How about down? Can you down? Oh, thank you. Can you down? How about place? Can you play? Can you play? Can you play? No? Okay. How about heel? Can you? Can you heel? Heel? Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. So as you can see, I got a smart old girl on my hands here. Check back with us in 2 weeks. And see how she does.
Casey. We did the 2-week board and train with Matt, and look forward to seeing the results. We're happy with everything that we've seen so far.